This is the Tea Infuser set, a convenient two-piece loose-leaf tea strainer set designed for brewing a variety of teas at home or at the office. The infusers are made from 304 stainless steel and feature an ultra-fine mesh design that helps keep smaller tea leaves contained while allowing water to flow through for full flavor extraction. They work well with many types of loose-leaf tea, including rooibos, green tea, black tea, herbal blends, and oolong tea. I also like that the set includes a tea scoop, making it easy to portion loose-leaf tea directly into the infuser. The included drip trays are another helpful feature because they provide a clean place to set the infuser after steeping without dripping onto counters or tables. The reusable design is practical for daily tea drinkers and offers an alternative to disposable tea bags. The stainless steel construction also gives the infusers a clean and durable feel that's easy to rinse and reuse. The compact size works well for mugs, cups, and many teapots, making them convenient for both home and travel use. If you're looking for a simple and reusable loose-leaf tea brewing set with fine mesh filtering and helpful accessories, this tea infuser set is a practical option for everyday tea preparation.